Now, throughout my feed and throughout my channel, we always dive deep into the world of self-development. And this video is no different, because the importance of improving yourself is incredibly important in narcissism recovery. Because it's all about taking care of ourselves, showing ourselves some self-love, and making those changes that will help level up our lives. And here's the secret. Narcissists, they don't actually want us to love ourselves. They want to be the only supply of love from anyone in the world, which is why they isolate, which is why they alienate. They want you to be dependent on one person for love and affection. But you're a person, which means you can give yourself love and affection. And the second we learn to apply self-love to ourselves, they lose their power. They lose their control over us. And it's not like we were born with like a boundary setting manual that we grew up with. Nobody taught us this stuff. So we end up developing these codependent coping strategies. We become people pleasers, always afraid to say no and avoid any kind of confrontation. And in fact, many of us have had narcissistic parents. And for a narcissistic parent to teach their child boundaries, well, that would take their power away. And I hope you understand that in some small way that those new coping strategies that we created to survive our childhoods have made us into people pleasers to make our parents happy. And then as we grow up, as we get older, we become people pleasers to everyone, trying to make everyone happy. Everyone except for us. And we end up being the only ones that are unhappy here.